Fits all types of 26 bikes. Schrader valve. The Schwinn 26 bicycle tube fits all types of 26 mountain bicycles, cruiser bicycles, while the Schrader valve is the U.S. standard. Top reviews from the United States. Smooth surface, easy to fit, and a valve that is easy to seat. One of the smoothest and quick installs of an inner tube I have ever experienced. I involved my child and she enjoyed being part of repairing the bicycle. The valve was an easy interference fit through her wheel rim, and it sat snuggly in place as we pushed the air pump latch over it to begin inflation.